Hi, my name is Kylie Madrid, and this is my presentation on Claude Monet. Claude Monet was born on November 14th, 1840 in Paris, France, and he died December 5th, 1926 in Giverny, France. Claude Monet created most of his artwork in Normandy, Paris, and England. Monet started his career in Paris, and it went from 1851 to 1926. Monet was a French impressionist and was one of the founders of this type of art. Impressionism is painting with broken color and rapid brushstrokes. He suffered from depression and self-doubt. Over his years, he destroyed around 500 paintings, and he tried committing suicide. At the age of 22, he was drafted into the military, and his first wife, Camille Monet, is in over 30 of his paintings. They met in 1865 and got married in 1870, and she died at the age of 32 after birthing their second son. So the Impression Sunrise was made in 1872, and the contrast of light and dark colors from the shadows and the sun gives the painting a calm, soothing, relaxed effect. And it was painted with oil paints, which was a common media used by Monet. Water Lilies and the Japanese Bridge was made in 1899. Claude often painted what he saw with loose brushstrokes and no harsh lines dividing the colors. This one is personally one of my favorites, and it's called Sunflowers in 1881. The blue background contrasts with the orange and the flowers and red of the cloth underneath, so you can see some are wilting. So I think it's really cool. The Garden Path at Giverny, 1902. A house peeks through the garden. The flowers are host to beautiful colors and teem with life. He enjoyed painting flowers and outdoors, as you can tell by all of the works that he's done so far in my presentation. So this one is San Giorgio Maggiore at Dusk, and it was made in 1908. There's a lot of bright colors reflecting, or it reflects how Monet sees nature and life. So this one is Camille Monet on her deathbed, and it was made in 1879. Monet painted his first wife in a lot of his paintings, and he painted this one as on her deathbed, and he was madly in love with her, and his second wife was jealous of the first wife because she knew he liked her more than he liked her. So yeah. This one is Poppies, and it was made in 1873. You can tell the era of this painting based on the clothes that the subjects are wearing, and it almost seems like the flowers bloom behind them, almost creating like a breadcrumb-like effect. This one is Tulip Fields, and it was made in 1886. There are tulip fields like this covering England, which makes sense as to why Monet painted them. They were abundant and very breathtaking, and he puts a lot of detail into it. And this is my works cited page, so thanks for watching.